Okay, good to see you. Welcome to my channel with Mr.Oloan Simbolon. At the moment, we will discuss about conjunction. There are two kinds of conjunction in English, namely coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. You know, coordinating conjunction like and, but, and or. This is a simple thing. It means two simple sentences you combine with this conjunction, coordinating conjunctions. In this coordinating conjunction, we combine two simple sentences only or more, and they are independent clause. For example, let's see, this is my student Tony. Can you read this, Tony? Number one.
He switched off the lights and went to bed.
Thank you, Tony. You can see in this example, and is the coordinating conjunction to combine two simple sentences. He switched off the lights, one simple sentence. Went to bed, one simple sentence. Is the same subject he. And next, can you read, Rian, my students, number two?
Is Sinta reading a magazine or cooking?
Correct, thank you. Is Sinta reading a magazine or cooking? Give an option or conjunction or provide an option to someone. Sinta must to choose magazine or cooking. But this is in question form. Let's see the number three. Karyo is lazy, but Kardi is diligent. This is conjunction, coordinating conjunction but. Karyo is lazy, simple sentence. Kardi is diligent, simple sentence. Combine with but. So you can see the sentence as the compound sentence combined with coordinating conjunction. So let's see the subordinating conjunction. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita menyebut kata sambung subordinasi. Usually this kind of conjunction has two parts. The first is independent clause. In Indonesia you can say klausa bebas. Biasanya kalimat yang sudah berdiri sendiri, tidak bergantung maknanya kepada kalimat lain. Or we can say that main clause, kalimat utama atau klausa utama. And the second, dependent clause, klausa yang bergantung, tidak bebas, yang maknanya bergantung kepada independent clause. Usually, subordinating conjunction will make the complex sentence. Let's see example. Before this example, the sentences that are started from conjunction, jadi kalimat-kalimat yang dimulai dari konjungsi subordinating conjunction ini ditandai dengan permulaan kata sambung seperti if, unless, though, although, even, though, in spite of, despite. We will talk about this especially at the moment. Let's see example number one. Although it rained hard. You can see although is subordinating conjunction. Is followed by the sentence. Jadi ciri-ciri although, though, even though itu setelah dia diikuti oleh kalimat. Perhatikan itu although, though, although, even though, setelah dia diikuti sebuah kalimat. Then we came to the party. This is the main clause. And this sentence is a complex sentence. Let's see number two. Even though the weather was bad. You see, even though a sentence, the weather was bad. This is dependent clause. Inilah dependent clause-nya. And then main clause or independent clause, we continued our journey. Meskipun atau walaupun cuaca buruk, kami melanjutkan perjalanan kami. So you see the important thing here, after even though, although, even though is followed by a sentence. Let's see the synonym. Although, even though, and though, synonym with in spite of or despite of. Despite. But remember, after in spite of or despite is followed by the noun or noun phrase. Let's see. In spite of the heart rate, meskipun hujan lebat, kata benda, the heart rate, berbeda dengan ini tadi. Ini diikuti kalimat, kalau ini langsung frase kata benda, the heart rate, jadi dirubah. In spite of the heart rain, we came to the party. In Indonesia you can say, meskipun hujan deras, kami datang ke pesta. Let's see, despite the bad weather, you can see, this is, the weather was bad, but here, the bad weather, kata benda, noun. So despite the bad weather, we continued our journey. Meskipun cuaca buruk, kata benda, cuaca buruk, the bad weather. Jadi ingat, despite, in spite of, diikuti oleh kata benda setelah dia. Let's see also if, conjunction, subordinating conjunction if, and unless. In Indonesia you can say if jika. Unless is jika tidak. Let's see example. Please, my student Tony, read number 1.
We will go to the meeting if doesn't rain.
Can you repeat once again, Tony? Once again.
We will go to the meeting if it doesn't rain.
Okay, thank you, Tony. We will go to the meeting. That's independent clause. If it doesn't rain, dependent clause. In Indonesia, I can say to you, I explain it. Independent clause itu adalah induk kalimat. Induk kalimatnya mana? We will go to the meeting. Anak kalimat itu disebut dependent clause if it doesn't rain. Anak kalimat ini bergantung maknanya kepada induknya. That's why this is a complex sentence. That's synonym with we will, use unless now. We will go to the meeting unless it rains. There is no, we don't use not. Because unless means if not. Jadi unless ini sudah berarti ada jika tidaknya, maka hilang not yang ada di if. Let's see example number 2. Can you help me to read it, Rian?
If he didn't buy her a present, she would be sad.
Thank you, Rian. If he didn't buy her a present adalah dependent clause, anak kalimat. She would be sad adalah independent clause, induk kalimatnya. Jadi posisi bisa kadang dependent clause-nya di depan, lalu kemudian independent clause-nya. Bisa ke depan dulu if-nya. That synonym with using unless. Unless he bought. You change didn't menjadi bought. Jadi kembali kepada kata kerja kedua. Because didn't buy is a simple past in positive form bought. Unless he bought her a present. Jika tidak dia membelikannya sebuah hadiah, she would be sad. Dia akan sedih. So, let's see the formula. After if, subject, do or does, not, verb 1. Is the same meaning with unless, subject, plus verb 1, or ending with S or AS if the subject is the third person. Kalau subjeknya ketiga tunggal dalam simple present, itu menambah S atau AS di belakang kata kerja. In simple past, if subject did not plus verb what. This is in simple past. That's the same meaning with unless plus subject plus verb to. You can see the sample of number 1 and second and number 2. I think that's enough. Please practice again, watching this video, learn, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Good luck for all of you.